they have really been helpful to her too. So anyway, everybody, yes, everybody. But anyway, I just want to say to you that, you know, I really do appreciate her. And I love her, and I'm glad that I could be here. It don't matter who didn't come from Carolina, I was coming. And this is how I met Jennifer. Well, I knew of her, but this is how I met her. And I said to her, I'm going. And so I said, she said, well, how you going? And I thought all the other sisters and brothers was going to come, but they didn't come. So then I said, okay, I know how we're going to go. We're going on the train. So I got up with her, and we came on the train, and we had a good ride, and she pictured me to be this sophisticated, quiet lady, you know, and then she realized, she says, there go Jenny, another Jenny. So, you know, I'm just thankful and grateful, and also I'm grateful for Chumba. This is the only Latin in our family. This Jenny's daughter. This Jenny's daughter, and I'm her crazy aunt. But that's okay. And she said, you the crazy. But it's okay, and I'm thankful to her. She held it over here for all they do for her. But I'm just grateful to be here, and thank you so much. And I'm really surprised that I know what I want to tell you, then I'm going to sit down. You're going to get your groove on. Okay, because you got what the man named Lil Wayne, the party ain't on. Okay, but what I wanted to say, I was really surprised that, I mean, I'm just shocked. I asked her, you really surprised? She said, yeah. So last night when I got off the train, I called her. I said, I'm calling from the train station, because she's probably trying to call me, and I'm going to tell her I'm at the football game, because there's a lot of noise in here. So I said, what you want? I said, I'm going to the football game. And I said, okay, I'll talk to you later. So then we went to eat, and there was still more noise. I said, well, let me call her and tell her I'm still at the game, you know. And I called her, and I told her like that. So then I got here, and what I wanted to wear was a little chilly. So I said to Teresa, I want you to go in there and get Jenny a shirt for me. So she kept saying, what kind of shirt? I said, you know that pretty shirt you wear with the palazzo pants? I said, black and all color like that. So Teresa said, well, I'm going to get the picture. I said, get the picture. It's what you see. So she came and then bought me the shirt. So this is what she said when she walked in there. Oh,